Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a membership gives you access to videos firsthand and videos that will never make it to the public. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this half-beaded scrunchie. In some of my previous videos, I've shown you guys how to make a regular scrunchie, different types and different sizes. I'm going to link it in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. And in one of my future videos, I'm also bringing out this particular beaded scrunchie. So can you guys see the beads are going all around the scrunchie? I'll show you guys how to achieve that in that next video. And guys, let's get into this amazing tutorial. So guys, for this, you're going to be needing a fabric that is 42 inches by 4 inches. That's what I have right here. I always want my scrunchie to be scrunched a lot. That's why I have 42 inches. You can use less. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it right sides facing each other just like this. And then I'm going to sew along this edge. So the long edge, sew it from the beginning. Then when you get to the middle, you are going to stop, create a back stitch, then create a space. So that space, we're going to be using it to turn our fabric inside out. Create a space and then continue sewing again till you get to the end of the straight line. So only the open edge. Don't touch this part and don't touch the other side. So only the open edge. So guys, after this is sewn, what you're going to do is you're going to now take your elastic. This is a 10-inch elastic, and then you're going to place it at the middle like this. This is still on the wrong side, yes. So place it like this and wrap it like this. Use your pin to secure it. Then go to the other side of the scrunchie piece, and then you're going to wrap it here again. Now you're going to sew it down here and sew it down here. Sew it down here and sew it down here. So guys, this is what it looks like after sewing the elastic to it. Can you see? The elastic is at the center here, and this is the scrunchie part. So now we're going to just... So when you pull it, it's going to look like this. So we're going to push it in so that it comes out from this sewing allowance that we left. So that space I told you to leave, we're going to be using that now. So that requires a lot of patience. So can you guys see? I have done it right here and right here. Now you're going to finish that opening. You're going to use your machine to close that opening. And this is what it looks like. Now you're going to take a matching thread. I'm going to thread it in the needle. So this is 4-strand threading. So can you see? It is 4-stranded threading. So at the tip right here, I'm going to do a stitch. So you're going to thread it a couple of times, maybe like 2 more times. So I think 5 is enough. So I'm going to thread it again at this bottom so that I can secure the final stitch. So thread it a couple of times so that it can be very, very secure. Then to make it more secure, I'm going to put in my needle through all these beads and then finish it up here again. And guys, that's all I have for this video. This is what the half beaded scrunchie looks like. It turned out super, super, super amazing. It turned out so well. And like I said, I have other videos of scrunchies on my channel that you guys can go check out. I'm going to link them, like I said, in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. And guys, that's all I have for this amazing tutorial. If you want to check out how to make this other beaded scrunchie, I'm going to show you guys in another video. It is very, very easy. I also have amazing playlists on my channel, scrap fabric projects that you can, work with on this channel, clothes that you can style in multiple ways, different tutorials. And that's all I have for this amazing tutorial. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.